You're watching FE Exam Prep with Anthony Fasano from Pass the FE Exam. What is transportation engineering, and what does a transportation engineer do? In this video, which is the fourth video in a 5-part series about the 5 different civil engineering disciplines that you can choose from, I will discuss the roles, responsibilities, and credentials needed to become a civil transportation engineer, typically referred to as a transportation engineer. And I'm doing this to give you a better idea of what to expect both in your studies as a student and in the FE exam. In the previous videos, we've discussed geotechnical, civil, and structural disciplines, which you can find right here on our playlist entitled Civil Engineering Disciplines. This video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975.
PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the FE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for FE exam prep. Let's dive in.
Before we get started, I just want to mention, especially for those of you who already took your FE exam or are getting close to taking it and are thinking of taking the Civil PE exam next, that we did a complete series on our Pass the PE exam YouTube channel about each of the 5 different PE civil depth exams in detail, explaining the topics covered on each of the exams and what the passing rates are for each topic to help you in your decision. You can check it out on our Pass the PE Exam YouTube playlist at youtube.com/Pass the PE Exam. It's called Civil Engineering Disciplines, How They Show Up in the PE Exams. Let's start by looking at what transportation engineering is. Transportation engineering is the application of modern technology and scientific principles to the design, development, and maintenance of transportation systems. The field of transportation engineering utilizes the latest developments in transportation and uses them to create the most efficient and effective systems possible for various locations. Transportation engineering applies to major terminals as well as the networks that connect them. Any product or system that moves people and goods from one place to another falls under the scope of transportation engineering. This is exciting stuff. Those working in the field of transportation engineering research, assess, design, and develop new solutions for projects that might include the following: highways and roads, traffic control systems, public transit systems, including railroads and depots, seaports, waterways, airports, bridges, and pavement systems. How can one become a civil transportation engineer? Qualifications to become a civil transportation engineer include a bachelor's degree in engineering for an entry-level position. Master's degrees and PhD programs are also available, which may provide an opportunity for deeper technical knowledge and career advancement. It depends a little bit on where you're working and what job you choose. These programs offer specialty classes including urban development, municipal infrastructure, and even pavement design. Most states and all public transportation positions require licensing, which entails the completion of a 2-part test which you are eligible to take after graduating from an accredited engineering program. Some employers also provide additional entry-level training. You are not eligible to obtain full professional licensure until you acquire several years of industry experience. Environmental certifications may also be required, as well as advanced skills using AutoCAD and other computer design systems. What does the work environment for transportation engineers look like? Transportation engineers typically spend a significant portion of their days in an office environment. They might work on a computer evaluating data, preparing reports, and generating diagrams. These engineers also work closely with other engineers as well as management and stakeholders to ensure the project's progress aligns with the established goals. They may attend meetings and give presentations. That's why speaking is important. In some cases, transportation engineers travel outside of the office to assess traffic conditions or observe the progress on construction sites. Now, let's take a look at some of the abilities that might be helpful to have when considering a career in transportation engineering. People in this career often have talent in deductive reasoning, using rules to solve problems. Inductive reasoning, making general rules or coming up with answers from lots of detailed information, taking it and breaking it down. Mathematical reasoning, choosing the right type of math needed to solve a specific engineering problem. Written expression, communication by writing. Writing is important for engineers. Problem sensitivity, noticing when problems arise. Written comprehension, reading and understanding what is written, and sometimes you're dealing with big reports. Oral expression, communicating by speaking effectively and clearly. Information ordering or arranging things. Oral comprehension, listening and understanding what people say. Visualization, imagining how something will look after it is moved around or changed. Category flexibility, grouping things in different ways. Fluency of ideas, coming up with lots of ideas. Near vision, seeing details close up. Speech clarity, speaking clearly to teams and maybe people that aren't technically savvy. Speech recognition, recognizing spoken words. Number facility, adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. That's why we needed to take all those math classes. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, we will answer more of your FE exam questions and run through more practice problems. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button as you'll get expert tips and tricks, including practice problem solutions weekly to ensure that you pass the FE exam. I'll see you next week on Pass the FE exam.